Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about how to read the file in Python. To open a file in Python, we can use the method called open. The first argument is the file name. We need to specify the mode we are trying to open. If we didn't specify, in default, Python will be using read mode. Let's check that first. To check that, we can use the property called mode. And before running the script, we should close the file. If we didn't close the file, sometimes there are many instances are opened, so we'll be getting an error. Let's run this. So it shows read mode. Also, we can specify it explicitly. Sometimes we are not using this method to close the file. So at that time we'll face the error. To avoid that, we can use the context managers. Context managers will close the file automatically when it comes out of the indentation block. To open a context manager, we need to use the keyword called with and the same method. And opening the file in read mode. So I'm not going to write any code here. Just I'm going to check whether the file is closed or not. To do that, I can use the property called closed. So it says true, which means the file is closed. Now we will explore the methods we have in files. The first one is read. So we are going to read all the contents present in the file. So we have read all the contents. So sometimes if we have a bigger file which has many contents, so at that time we can use the method called read lines. So which actually stores all the lines inside a list. So if we only need first line, so we can use read line. If we repeat this read line many times, so it will read from the second line and third line and it goes on. So we fix this end line. Now it looks a bit clear. Suppose if we want to read only 100 characters or 50 characters from the file, we can use the same method called read. So I'm just trying to read 20 characters from the file. So the first 20 characters are read. So we can run a while loop now. And we'll get all the contents from the file. One more thing is we should again read the file content. If we forget to read that, it will be an infinite loop. So let's fix this. So every time when it prints, so it printing the 20 characters. Suppose if you want to check at what position we are in the file, so we can get that by a property called tell. So we are in 20 right now, so that's what is being returned. And sometimes if we want to start from the beginning always, so I am reading the 20 characters and printing this content, and I want to start from the beginning again. So to do that, I can use the method called seek. If I print this once again, so it will start from the beginning. If I comment out and check, so you can see the difference clearly. So seek will be, if we are specifying the position in the seek, it will start from that particular position. So I'm specifying the 0, which means I'm starting from the beginning always. One last thing, we can actually loop over the object in for loop and see the result. So it will print all the lines from present in the file. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, just like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.